Hello YouTube, it's Mark Woods with another video, here to bring you an unboxing of something that have not been seen on YouTube yet. And we had quite a few of those on this channel so far. But, you know what I'm saying, this is another one. This is another one. But let's go ahead and check it out. Now, first of all, these are going to get hooked up. Sometimes I say I'm going to do stuff and sometimes I don't do it. Maybe sometime I might fall asleep or get too lazy to do it. But yeah, these should have been done. It took me all day to do the alternator. It took me all day to do the 4-channel amp. So y'all know how it is. But man, I need to get these boys hooked up ASAP. And the two back tweeters are busted now. I mean, I don't know how it happened. But, I just know they're not powerful enough to take the 4-channel amp. So, that's why they busted. But let's go ahead and check these out, man. Found a little knife now, man. Yeah. PRVs, man, they've been serving me good, man, for like, what, 7 months? 7 months. So why wouldn't I stick with them? I mean, they loud, man. I mean, but now they having a little trouble though, because that CT Sounds amp, man, it's getting it, man. I'm serious. It's getting it. And there's more stuff to come for that also, But let's check these out. All right. Let's give them a little line up. Like that little picture right there, man. Wish I had all the family here. So now we're gonna have a whole entire PRV setup in the car. Let's check this out. Let's check these out. That's the way it goes, man. And you know what? Shout out to CT Sounds, they stuff, man. Seriously. They comment twice on my page, guys. I mean, I know the company is probably not as big no more because, what happened to the owner and all that. The owner has passed and all that. But still, for a company to reach out to this channel is huge, guys. It happened, this the second time it happened. It happened with Ground Shaker. And now it's happening with CT Sounds. So let's check it out, man. Look at that. It's got the PVR, the PRV sign up and graded up into it. Y'all can see it. Yeah, these are nice, man. Of course I got 4 of them. Oh yeah. Look at the wattage. 50 watts RMS, which is plenty to handle that 4-channel amp. Because at the end of the day, we're distributing probably like maybe about 100 watts around. Matter of fact, I can check that right now. So much crap, man. Might have to hire a maid to come around and clean this up. But there you go. There it is. So I'm getting 80 watts RMS to each speaker. So, nope. We're not going to bust these. And they're thick. Way more thicker. A little bit more sturdier. Let's go ahead and open it up on the other side. The thing I'm kind of happy with though, they do come with longer wires. Wires look a little bit more thicker. Comes with a little bit more protection on them. They feel way more quality than them power acoustic things I got. I should have brought them up here. You know, what's left of them, of course. Got a little metal bracket. If I can get it open, let's see. Yeah, there you go. I'm sorry, y'all. Metal bracket right there. So what you do is just mount it. And that's it. Let's see. You're supposed to sit up in there like so. You just twist them in because they got a little cap right here. As you can see that. Got a little cap, so you just twist them in. Or it's something that make them stay in. Okay, it's supposed to be something that make them stay in. Or they just stay in by themselves. I don't know how it works, man. Let's see. I think, okay, I got it. So this right here, you taking that off. You taking that off and then you putting it around it. So we got it. Once you unscrew this off, let's see, unscrew it off real quick. We'll do a quick demonstration of it. Why not? Quick demonstration for it. Right, put it right up in there. Yep. Yeah, right back over it. Twist on. Now we have one done live on TV. See how that twists on? It's way more sturdier than those other ones is. You know, it's not really a bad thing to invest a little bit more into your mids and highs. I'm probably up to like maybe about $500 to $700 on my mids and highs alone. But man, yeah. PRV, man, the PRV family. You know what I'm saying? It's here. You know, we don't know. We still don't know what we gonna keep doing for the lows and stuff. You know, but more to come on that. Still got the big show coming up. Still got the Slamology coming up in Indianapolis on June the 13th and 14th. Yeah, guys, be there, man. I want to see you guys, man. I want to meet you guys. I want to see your system. You know, so for we all can just base head together, man. Like, it's all about being a base head on this channel and also doing it yourself. DIY gang, stand up. But I hope you like the video. If you do, smash that like button. If you're new, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.